No, alam niyo po sabi sa isang lyrics ng kanta, kaibigan lang pala ang tingin niya sa akin. Well, this lyrics denotes disappointment, no, kasi baka nag-expect itong something relational pa. But in the end, hanggang kaibigan lang pala yung pwedeng i-offer sa kanya. Yung tipong may tawagan na kayo, yung tipong concern siya sa'yo, yung akala mo may feelings na siya sa'yo, pero kaibigan lang pala ang tingin niya sa iyo. Kaibigan lang. Must not be the words used to describe the gospel for today. Kasi dito po, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin kaibigan lang. Rather, kaibigan pala ang gustong itawag sa atin. A call name that gives us an idea of intimacy, denotes a distinct relation, and exemplifies the notion of dignity. And this is what the statement, I no longer call you servants, but friends. And this is what Jesus wants to be called as friends, to uplift the dignity and give us a distinct identity that we are in the filial relation, a companion and a friend of God. Jesus calling us friend is something distinct to us. Hindi po ba isipin natin, sabi sa atin ni Jesus, friend, that it seems we are having something intimate. Close pala tayo kay Jesus. But the question is, how close? And this is the beauty of the gospel. Pag may tawagan kayo, mas malalim na yung ugnayan, mas malalim na yung pinagsasamahan, mas malalim na yung pagmamahalan. Kaya nga po sa mga may tawagan dyan, malalim na yan. But this is also true with how Jesus wanted to appellate the intimacy of the relation of God to man. Ayaw ni Jesus na manatili lang tayong tagasunod. Ayaw niyang tayo nasa konsepto lang ng pagiging lingkod. Ang gusto niya, magkaroon tayo ng mas malalim na ugnayan sa Kanya. We are being called friend because Jesus wants us to have an intimate relation with Him, which is in response to the words of the gospel, that if we remain in Jesus' love, we will bear much fruit that will last. And this is the beauty of a friend. Yung handa kang pagsabihan kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Handa kang lapitan sa oras ng pangangailangan mo. And Jesus is offering this to us. Ang tanong, kaya rin ba nating tawaging friend si Jesus? Kaibigan pala ang tingin niya sa atin. My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, hindi po tayo tunay nalalago sa pagmamahal, sa pag-ibig, if we see love as something necessary only, as something we want and like. We will only know love if we keep on bearing fruits out of love deep-rooted in us. Paugatin ang tunay na pagmamahal upang mamunga ng pagmamahal. Yan po yung kaibigan. Be a precious friend to Jesus, receiving Him in the Holy Communion. Be a friend of Jesus, talking to Him in times of dire need. We are privileged because Jesus wants us to be His friend. Kaya nga because He is calling us friend, ibig sabihin, kilala niya po tayo. We did not choose Him, but He chose us. Kasi kilala niya tayo, kasi kaibigan niya tayo. Hindi po pwedeng pahalagahan at makilala yung isang taong hindi pa natin kaibigan. Pero dahil tinuturing natin siyang kaibigan, nabubuo na yung ugat ng pagkakakilala. Kaibigan pala ang tingin niya sa atin. Ang tanong, si Kristo po ba ay sumasa atin? Tignan natin ang ating mga gawain.